Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you have high-resolution video that is using up your storage space, but you're worried about losing detail when you compress it? In this video, I will show you exactly how to make your video files much smaller on Windows 11 without losing most of their quality. Let's go. To reduce video file size in Windows 11 without significant quality loss, you can use a video editor like this tool that I am using. You don't need to compromise on quality while reducing file size. Recently, I've explored many video converters, and one tool in particular impressed me with its versatility. This software eliminates the need for multiple editors by offering everything from one convenient dashboard, including video, audio, and image conversion and enhancement. Most importantly, it can compress large videos to the smallest possible size without compromising the original quality. Do you want to try it now? You can use my link below to download the software directly and enjoy a free trial offer for first-time use to fully experience all features. Once the software is installed successfully on your computer, navigate to the Compressor tab in the Quick Access menu and upload the video you want to compress. By default, the program automatically reduces the file size by about 70%. But if you want to make it even lower, click the Resize button. Here, you'll see two different compression models. The first is Basic Compression, which allows you to manually adjust the compression percentage using the slider. It's also high speed. For every percentage you set, you can see the exact file size it will be compressed to. The second is AI Compression, which retains more video details and enhances the overall quality. However, this method is a bit slower and does not show the compressed file size in real time. After you select the compression mode you prefer, click the OK button to apply your changes. If you've uploaded many videos for batch compression, you can configure the presets in the menu below to apply the same settings across all files. Finally, start the compression. And once it's done, you can switch to the Finished tab to easily locate the compressed videos. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.